Youngtimers meet. See those cops right there, or the cop over there? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. We're headed out for Youngtimers meet. Got a lot of Youngtimers coming up. We're in the Evo. My boy Imran pulling up in a really sick car. Let's just say it's got airbags and it looks really gangster and it stands down. So I'm gonna keep it a surprise.
Yeah.
You see those cops right there, or the cop over there? That he just gave me a thumbs up for the Evo, and he said, I don't know, he just gave me a thumbs up and smiled. So I guess
Pop approved.
the Evo's Popo approved. The feds like the Evo. By the way, got my boy Mohammed in the back.
What's up, bro?
First time on the vlog. First time out for a drive. So the Black Bison's gonna be back soon. I just got a word from our boy Dubé at Redline Auto House, Akshay. They did a phenomenal job, by the way. Yeah, looking forward for that to come back and get you guys some good content with the Black Bison S-Class.
We have to make a video.
Yeah, with the LX and the Lexus and the S-Class. It would be a sick video. So looking forward to that. We'll get you some good content with that. Right now we're stuck in traffic. We're late for the meet. And it wasn't Ruel's fault this time. But yeah, we're really late.
A few minutes later. Behind me turned into a small dot. Down on the list as a maybe, so a lot of people don't think I'm coming, so it's going to be a good entry when we get there. So yeah, it's going to be cool seeing all the cars finally. I haven't seen some of these guys in a while. My car just turned off.
Just had to be.
Got this cream 115 over here in mimosa yellow. Beautiful color. Check it out.
Let's drive. Make drivers announcement.
Hello, brother. Would you do the honors of talking about this beautiful Mafia Spec 7 Series? What
Basically, it's got 19-inch wheels.
what kind of wheels?
The BBS, bro.
BBSs.
It's got air ride.
Air ride.
Yeah, boys from Kerala sorted the air ride.
Kerala
This
boys,
time, yeah.
Malu gang.
And yeah, it's stock. Otherwise, it's got everything electric inside. So it's basically a stock car. And runs great. Have a look at it.
Check it out, some bags. Is it aired out right now? No. It's not aired out. Head out for a small spin. A lot of different variety of cars pulled up, so it's good. Check this. I guess you could say E-Class out from the late 80s. I guess you could say. So cool with that yellow. Look at this. So we just headed to Starbucks in BKC. Gonna take a nice spin over there, and then yeah, go hang out with the boys.
that spot, everyone just, you know, doesn't pay attention and they just try to cut in. But for some reason, since I slammed on the brakes, my brakes aren't kind of working.